Hey, what is going on, you guys? Are you hungry? I am doing spaghetti, but I'm adding a little bit of splash to it, baby. I have ground meat, I have bell peppers, I have orange, I have yellow, and I have green. But I said I want to spice this up a little bit today. I added zucchini. I got a decent sized zucchini, and I sliced that girl in half, and then I just broke it on up, blocked it up, and threw that on in here. I got my meats down to it's just about half done. I'm gonna turn this fire down, and I'm gonna actually put a lid on here after I have actually added my zucchini because I want it to soften up a bit. And we're gonna let that do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and continue with the spaghetti making process. But that's it, trying a little something different. Well, it's not really all that different for me. I've had it before, but just to change it up, just change it up a little bit. Are you hungry? I wish you all could smell how good this smells in here. I'm telling you, look at that. That is softening up really nice. It really is. There's also, I don't know if I said it, but actually I have white onion in here as well. I have garlic. I actually have, there's some mushrooms down in there. And there's also some Italian sausage mixed in here as well. Listen, everything that I do, for the most part, guys, I do like 22 different ways. I love to do things different. I'm a Capricorn, and most Capricorns are kind of known for they like repetition. They don't like to throw off their schedule. They like everything really in sync and to just run smoothly, and they know what's coming next. I am the complete flip side. I love different. So it really, it excites me when I do things different. That's why most dishes I make, I know how to make 22 different ways, and I throw things in to change it up, like I've done today with this zucchini. And I'm going to actually do it with linguine noodles as opposed to spaghetti noodles. Difference. I like difference. I like to switch it up. I like a change. That's probably why dating is a hard thing, but that's a whole nother situation for a whole nother time. Listen, let's stay on topic. Are you hungry? I'll put my lid back on, you guys, and let this soften up a little bit more. It's really coming along good, and it smells absolutely delicious. Okay, you guys, I am right where I want to be. The smell is right. Everything is right. Italian seasoning, oregano has been actually added here. Listen, let me tell you something. Right now, with my zucchini, it is just at the point of starting to look a little translucent. That's where I want to be. I don't want it soggy. I still want to have a little bite to it. So I'm right where I want to be. Right now is where I'm going to actually add 6 ounces of tomato paste to this meat and vegetables, and just a teaspoon of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine go down, helps the medicine go down. The sugar is to actually act against some of the acid in the tomato sauce or the tomato paste that we're actually going to use. So yes, a teaspoon of sugar. All right, voila, like so. Do you see how my situation has actually thickened up? It has thickened up. That's it, just 6 ounces of tomato paste, and it's got me to a nice thickness here. Now, it's gonna be up to you how much or how loose you actually want your finished spaghetti. I'm not a fan of really wet food, so you know I'm not gonna go that far in, but we'll discuss that when we get ready to start adding our spaghetti sauce to it. But right now, I'm going to put a lid on this. I'm going to keep it on low. I'm going to do this I'll let it sit in here and work itself through for about another 15 minutes, just so it could just kind of do its thing and all this stuff could start to marry itself. You can go 20 minutes if you really want. You can go 20 minutes if you like. All right, guys, here we are. This is my finished sauce. It is I'm actually going to be simmering for I'm gonna leave it simmer for about a half hour before I actually add my noodles. But look at it. smells good, looks good, the consistency is perfect, and it just smells scrumptious. Listen, are you hungry? All right, you guys, here are my noodles. They've been rinsed and they are looking good. They've cooled off quite a bit. And listen, like I said, I'm going with linguine noodles this time. Just changing it up, switching it up. And I'm ready to go ahead and add those to my spaghetti sauce and let this thing, we just about done. We are just about done. Alrighty, as you can see, I have dumped those noodles, dumped those girls right on into the pot, and we're going to give it one old nasty piece of stir and see what we got going on. Check it out. This for me is sheer perfection. It's juicy, it's tangy. I can smell it. It's tangy, it's just scrumptious. Oh man, I can't wait. You need to be here to smell this. You really do. It's just the right amount of everything. My vegetables, it's not too loose, it's not too chunky. It is just perfect for me. It's just perfect for me. This is another version of spaghetti done the SpillitBoyTV way, of course. Are you hungry? Let me go and get this plated up. All I need now is a piece of Italian garlic bread. With some Parmesan cheese on it. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. See you guys soon.